Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to buy champions on League of Legends. In order to buy champions on League of Legends, it is extremely simple. All you need to do is head to the store from the top right hand side. Left click on the store. After coming into the store, go to the champions tab. From here you will see all the champions that are available for you to purchase. So in order to purchase a champion, left click on it. You can either use Riot Points or Blue Essence in order for the purchase to be completed. You should not use Riot Points, just use Blue Essence by a little bit of grinding and you can have enough Blue Essence in your inventory. As I do not have enough Blue Essence right now, I cannot buy it, but in order to buy, just left click on the Blue Essence tab. Then it will ask you if you are sure that you want to buy this champion. Just press OK and the champion will be directed into your collection. This is how you can easily buy champions in League of Legends.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.